Hi guys, and welcome back, or I should be welcoming myself back because I've been kind of MIA. I've still been using Chebe, and I've been recording videos. I just haven't had a chance to edit them and post them, so I decided to go ahead and give you guys, I guess, one of my more recent videos that I recorded, and it's me getting my hair washed. It's been about a year since I had it washed, so yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you guys after. Alright guys, so I have my husband washing my hair. I'm so grateful that he did it because I did not feel like doing it. So I had to kind of bribe him to do it. But anyway, last time I washed my hair when we were using Chebe, I washed it at 6 months of using Chebe, and we used Tresemme. And it kind of got everything out of my hair with about 2 passes or 2 shampoos, and then everything was clean. So we thought that it would do the same thing this time. Again, it has been a year since I washed my hair, so Tresemme did not do the job this time. As you can see, the shampoo is still really white, maybe a little tannish, but it's not dark brown, and we were expecting dark brown just because, again, it's been a year and that's a lot of Chebe that's caked in my hair. Granted, I do kind of comb some of it out every time, but it should be a little more brown than this. So as you can see, Tresemme did not work for us at the beginning, so we decided to do something different. So after trying Tresemme for a little while, he remembered that he saw how people clean their locks, and he decided that I should try that on my hair. He said it was locked up, but my hair was not locked up. But so what we did was put some warm water with some sea salt, with baking soda, and some apple cider vinegar, which is why the water has that little tannish tint to it right now. And then we let my hair soak in that water. And when it first got in there, it stayed really clear for a little while. And so we're like, is my hair not dirty or what? So as you can see, the water did start to kind of foam up or get a film on top. And if you look at the twist, you can kind of see it a little bit better. But then after about maybe 5 minutes of kind of moving my head back and forth and just sitting there, this is what the water started to look like. And so we emptied that water out, and then we put more water back in with the same solution, and then let it soak again. And this is what the water started to look like. And that's only half of my head. Okay, so as you can see, the Tresemme going on top initially did not do anything because my hair still had tons of Chebe in there, and it was kind of cakey. He's going to show you his hand in a second and show you the braid. There's where he squeezes it out. It's kind of like mud. So we definitely needed to do the soak. There's some muddy look. Alright, and then that's my hair soaking for a little bit longer. So we did about maybe 10 soaks altogether for both sides of my head. And then this is my hair after we soaked it and then re-shampooed it and conditioned it. And then it took like maybe 4 or 5 hours to do my whole head. And then after we got done, I put tons and tons of leave-in conditioner on my hair and then braided it up for the night. And then when I woke up the next morning, it was still a little damp. So I added more products to my hair and started to thread it up. When I was adding more product to my hair, I'm not sure if the apple cider vinegar solution did it or if the products I used this time didn't really agree with my hair, but my hair felt weird. And it could be that I'm used to my hair feeling really moisturized with Chebe. and it didn't feel dry. It just felt weird, like wiry or stringy. I'm not sure how to explain it, but it did feel a little bit weird. So I kept adding more and more products to it to try to combat that feeling. But I think the best solution here, after having my hair out for about a month now, is to just rewash it and use less products and see how that goes. Because after I used my leave-in, I then went in and put in some butter mix that I made, and then I also put in like some Dove in serum and a lot of other things. So I think that also had an effect on my hair. So I will be doing another video telling you like how my hair was throughout the year and how this process was and things like that coming up. But this is just showing you guys how I got the Chebe out, and my hair is really clean now. As you can see, it still has a lot of shrinkage. And my hair did almost reach tailbone length, or yeah, I think it's tailbone. And I'll insert some pictures so that you can see, but I'll be doing another update after I rewash it again to get all the products that I added in out. And I'll also be going to a person who specializes in natural hair just to get their opinion on what they think is best. So I would definitely keep you guys updated. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.